Do 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 do. Say Happy Valentine's Day. Say Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Can you say hi, Grandpa? What? Boop. What? Who is it that Valentine? Who is it that Valentine? Who is he? Oh. Oh. Oh, can you say hi? Yeah? Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, yeah, you haven't been feeling so good. Can't tell when you do that though, huh? What is that? What is that noise? Oh, coughing. Oh, goodness. Who's that? Who's that Valentine down there? Can you say, Happy Valentine's Day, Grandpa? Yeah. Say, Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, yeah. Say hi to all your fans. Look at these chubby legs. Look at that little tushy. Look at that little... Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. He's talking to his fans. He really is this time, too. Well, at least more than before when he was camera shy. Say hi. Hi, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm a lot like Cupid. Did you see your dad come in there?
Roll his eyes.
You were rolling your eyes at your daddy. Hi. 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 Oh. Oh. Anything else you want to say before we turn it off? Oh. Anything else? Thinking about it. Huh? Yeah? Okay, bye guys. Bye guys. I'm a little snack machine. Bye guys. Gonna turn it off now.